Okay guys, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I made a big mistake by downloading Valorant because it was constantly getting this error right in here for 24 hours. I could not fix it. I searched the whole internet, whole Reddit, whole GitHub, and finally I reached to the point that I am here to tell you I fixed it, and I'm going to tell you how you can fix that as well. So make sure to watch this tutorial throughout the end and follow all the steps throughout this video. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. So first off, what you want to do is that you just want to search for Valorant down in the search bar and click on Open File Location. Just click on it, and once again, because this is the shortcut, right? Click on it again, click on Open File Location once again. Okay, right. Click on Riot Client Services and Show More option because I'm on Windows 11. Click on Properties. If you're on Windows 10, and then just click on Compatibility tab and make sure that this box is enabled. Okay, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. And once again, run this program as an administrator. Make sure these two boxes are enabled. Okay. Hit on apply, okay? So at this point, you want to get back a folder by one click on Riot Games. So this point, click on Valorant, okay? Then live, so right, click on Valorant. The game itself, show more options than properties compatibility, and do the same thing for these boxes as well. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Enable this, and run this program as an administrator. Enable this as well. Hit on OK. Then you should open settings and just type emsinfo, or alternatively search for system information. Right click on it, and under the section of system summary, what should be focusing is, first off, is BIOS mode. Your BIOS mode should be set to UEFI, okay, not GPT or MBR or even legacy mode. None of them above it should be set to BIOS mode. In my case, I've got no problem with this. And then after this, under the secure boot state, it definitely should be set to on. So if this is set to off, and that's the reason that you are getting this error. So in order to fix this error, we should enter the BIOS mode in our computer. So in order to enter BIOS, first off, what we're going to do is that we're just going to type down our motherboard models. In my case, my motherboard is ASRock B450 Steel, Legend, manufactured by ASRock. And then we're just going to straight up type BIOS button right in. It says, to access the BIOS on an ASRock B450 Steel Legend motherboard, press the Dell or F2 key. In my case, in my motherboard, right? Your motherboard might be different, okay? And you even might be using a laptop. So in that case, you need to search your model, laptop model, and then the manufacturer of it straight up. Search BIOS button, right? So down there in the description, I'm going to put down different buttons, how you can enter the BIOS mode. So to continue the tutorial, let's just head over to the BIOS mode environment. So as you can see in almost every motherboard or laptop, you will see the exact button to enter BIOS upon restarting the device. So here we are in the forbidden and almighty BIOS itself. So we should search for boot section first off. So inside boot section, I want you to disable CSM compatibility support module if available, just by clicking on it and turning it off. For the secure boot mode, we should search for security section. I want you to enable secure boot and select standard for the secure boot mode. And if by any chance you could not find the boot section in your motherboard, you can simply try the search section and type secure boots. And after changing our desired elements, we're done in here. So we're just going to click save and exit, and we're good to leave BIOS for a good Valorant gaming journey. So as you can see now, the BIOS mode is on UEFI and secure boot state is enabled. I should not have any problem whatsoever from now on. So please like this video if this video helped your problem, and please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me because I'm a small YouTuber and I truly need your support. And thank you so much for watching, and peace out.